Many times when you look at histograms, you may see something like this. This is skewed data. What you can see is most of the values are all here on the left side. And there's a little bit down here on the right, but look, there's some way over here on the extreme right. This is called skewed to the right data. Whenever you have skewed data, instead of looking at the Y value in terms of a linear increase, meaning it's going up by the same amount each time, like say adding 5,000 rows, you can look at it in terms of its logs, and then it'll go up exponentially. So what you do, you go to your histogram code, and you add the parameter log. By default, it is false, and you simply set it equal to true. Okay? So when you do that, look at what we have here. Okay, and I'm going to press shift in order to run the code, and you'll see the difference. Okay, this is showing much more information. So the X values are actually the exact same. They're still going up consistently by 20,000. This is capital gain, so this is how much capital people have. But if you look on the left side, instead of counting up, say, by 5,000, well, look, it's going from 10 to 100 to 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, this is called a log histogram, and it shows a lot more. So whenever you have that skewed data, you can go to your histogram code, and you can set the parameter log equals true to reveal more of the data. All I would say is that when you do this, you should highlight the log if you're going to publish the histogram as a part of the title. So maybe call it a log histogram. That way you can draw people's attention to the Y column, going up by powers of 10, because that is a different distribution of the data than most histograms show.